Hey people, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well and in good health. Okay, let's get straight in. Bitcoin spot ETF rejection coming. Matrix Port warns investors of pending SEC decision. Okay, sounds urgent to me. Matrix Port's latest reports predict decline in Bitcoin price. Well, they're right because the Bitcoin price has actually, taken a big hit and a big dive. So let's just get the latest. Let me refresh this. So, wow. We were on $1.75 trillion a few days ago in the global crypto market. Right now we're on 1.63 trillion. It's gone down by 6.46% in the last 24 hours. That is big movement on the downwards trajectory. So Bitcoin is currently at 42,507. It's gone down by 6.78% in the last 24 hours. It was above $45,000, not far off from $46,000. You know, just a short while ago. It's slightly recovering. It's gone up by 0.55% in the last hour, but it has tanked. In the early video we made on the channel, you can check what happened there. Let's head back over and see what's going on here. So let's see what this warning is all about. In a surprise turn of events, Matrixport, a leading crypto financial services platform, released a report warning investors of the potential rejection of all Bitcoin spot ETFs by the US Securities and Exchange Commission in January. Well, we were expecting some announcements on the Bitcoin spot ETF coming actually today, but BlackRock's delayed it until the 5th of Jan, and there might be some other announcements towards the end of the week and next week, around about the 10th. So the report suggests that final approval may not be achieved until the second quarter of 2024, which will mean after March going into April. Obviously, Bitcoin halving takes place in April this year. So Matrixport's analysis further predicts a significant decline in the price of Bitcoin, with recommendations for investors to consider put options or direct shorting of Bitcoin. The report challenges consensus expectations by asserting that the SEC will likely reject all pending Bitcoin spot ETF applications. That would definitely be something, because all the analysts up until now have been talking about the approval and a rally, a mini rally, an uptake, upsurge in the price of Bitcoin. But according to this report, it's the opposite. Please do be aware, my voice is not too good at the moment because I'm not feeling well. But of course, even though we are ill, we do have a job to do, so we march on. Notably, major financial institutions such as BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK Invest, and VanEck have filed for Bitcoin spot ETFs, awaiting approval from the SEC. Meanwhile, Matrixport indicates that they have observed frequent meetings between the ETF applicants and SEC staff. These interactions led to the applicants refiling their applications. Do they know something that we don't? According to Matrixport, all applications lack fulfillment of a critical requirement necessary for SEC approval. They suggest that this requirement could potentially be met by Q2 later this year. However, the expectation is that the SEC will reject all proposals in January, which will be a mini catastrophe and could impact the price of crypto, like we're seeing right now with the tanking of Bitcoin price, and obviously many other altcoins have followed suit. So, the latest report emphasizes the political landscape at the SEC, indicating that the current 5-person voting commissioners led by Democrats may influence the decisions. SEC Chair Gary Gensler's cautious approach to cryptocurrencies adds to the skepticism, as he has not embraced crypto in the US. This, according to Matrixport, suggests a potential reluctance to approve Bitcoin spot ETFs. The report suggests that Gensler's views that the crypto industry is requiring more stringent compliance, making the approval of Bitcoin ETF unlikely. Now, the potential rejection of Bitcoin ETFs could have significant repercussions for the market, as I just mentioned right now. But obviously, the cryptocurrency space is a volatile space, and these things happen. So Matrixport estimates that the approximately 14 billion extra fiat and leverage have been deployed on the crypto market since traders began speculating on ETF approval in September 2023. If the SEC denies approval, the report anticipates cascading liquidations, with Bitcoin prices potentially falling by 20%, rapidly returning to the 36,000, 38,000 range. So Despite the potential rejection of ETF, Matrix report expresses optimism regarding the long-term prospects of Bitcoin. It still expects the Bitcoin price to surpass its starting point for the year, 42K, by the end of 2024, as reported by You Today. Matrix report had previously forecast that the Bitcoin price was positioned to reach $50,000 in January. However, the latest report indicates a shift in their perspective. Like I said, if you're investing in cryptocurrencies, I'll give you the best advice possible. Always do your financial due diligence. Speak to professional financial advisors. Don't just dive in if you haven't researched the market. You will find influencers out there, who are promoting, pushing certain type of dodgy coins, meme coins, when people come in, and then all of a sudden they tank and a lot of people lose money. This morning I've lost a few $1,000s as well. Obviously the markets have tumbled, but that's the crypto space, a volatile space. So you have to do your own due diligence, and you have to be prepared to lose all your money. A lot of the exchanges now as well, are asking you to do questionnaires, asking you to, provide further information for due diligence and making sure that you pass their stringent financial checks according to the geographical location you are located in. I for certainly know that in my country where I am in the UK, we've had these prompts asking for more information and doing questionnaires so that you can understand that you can lose money when investing in cryptocurrency. But on the other side, you can also make money, and that's the beauty of cryptocurrency. But like this article suggests, that going forward, Bitcoin is still bullish, and it can reach the 50K mark potentially, going into the halving in April, and a potential bull run into the rest of the year going into 2025. Obviously, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Likes are for free, don't forget. Click the notifications bell so you can stay up to date with what's happening. We will bring you all the latest in the crypto space on a daily basis. My goal is to do daily cryptocurrency market reviews, analysis on a daily basis, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. You can support the channel and help the channel grow and bring you the best of knowledge out there by clicking the join button. It costs less than a cup of coffee. Support the channel, support us on Patreon, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can build and move forward. Okay people, let's make some guala. Catch you in the next one.